Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're like me, you hate lugging around a heavy suitcase or trying to stuff everything into a too small bag. I'm here to share some tips that'll make packing a breeze. Stick around because I'm going to spill the beans on a game-changing packing secret that'll save you time, money, and sanity. Welcome back to Globetrot. My name's Justin, and I'm obsessed with making travel as easy and fun as possible. Today, we're diving into the world of smart packing hacks. You know, those little tricks that'll make your life so much easier on the road. We've all been there. You're packing for a trip, and suddenly, you realize you've got way too much stuff. Not only is it a pain to carry, but it also limits your freedom to explore and enjoy your adventure. Let's fix that, shall we? First up, versatile clothing. Pick pieces that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Neutrals are your best friend here. They'll go with everything and look great no matter what. And don't forget to pack a scarf or two. They're perfect for dressing up any old outfit. Now, let's put these tips into action. I'll pack my suitcase for a week-long trip using only the essentials. You'll see how I choose my items based on weather and activities, and how I use packing cubes to keep everything organized and easy to find. And now for the big reveal. The secret to avoiding overpacking and unnecessary baggage fees: a digital luggage scale. This little gadget lets you weigh your bag before you leave, so you know for sure it's under the airline limit. No more stress at the airport. We've covered versatile clothing, packing cubes, and the all-important luggage scale. With these tips, you're well on your way to becoming a packing pro. Remember, smart packing means easy adventures. So get out there, explore, and enjoy the journey. If you liked what you saw, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your travel-obsessed friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up to date on all my new videos. And let me know in the comments, what's your top packing challenge? I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy travels, and remember, smart packing makes for easy adventures. See you next time.